Live from New York City at the historic Brooklyn Bridge, it's the 49th annual Macy's 4th of July fireworks, featuring performances by Ava Max, Eric Church, Jonas Brothers, Keke Palmer, Trisha Yearwood, and Lenny Kravitz. Plus an original fireworks score produced by Questlove and James Poyser. Now, please welcome your host, Ariana DeBose.
Hello from the Pier 17 in the seaport of New York City. We are live at the foot of the iconic Brooklyn Bridge for the greatest fireworks show in the country. I am Ariana DeBose. Yes, and I am so thrilled to be your host for this huge national celebration. The 49th annual Macy's 4th of July fireworks. It will be a New York City party like no other. Tonight is going to be absolutely incredible, and it all leads up to the best fireworks show in the nation. A commercial-free fireworks display, and for the first time ever, incredible imagery that will be projection mapped on the towers of the Brooklyn Bridge. It's giving tech, am I right? Could it be any more spectacular? So, you ready? Let's get this party started. Let me hear you. So these guys are celebrating 20 years since their debut. And next month, they kick off a national tour at MetLife Stadium in support of their new album, Greetings from Your Hometown, out August 8th. I love these guys, and so will you. It's the Jonas Brothers.
Look marvelous. Oh yeah, I like when you move it in retrograde. Two-step all night long when you're taking no breaks, you're making it obvious. You got what I want, but I know I'm gonna have to wait. Oh, I wish I could tell you so much that I wanna say, but I know better, so I ain't getting in your way. 'Cause I can't tell by the way you use your walk, but you came to dance, no time to talk. Turn it up with all your friends and you came to dance. No time to talk. I came to dance. No time to talk. Say I came to dance. No time to talk. Good Lord, side to side, but you're making me sway. You're shaking me half to death. Say go when it's time for my hands to wrap around your waist. Oh, it's too much. I wanna touch and I'm falling in love, but I don't wanna rush you, babe. Too late. We like guys and I'm a moth to a flame. Oh, I wish I could tell you so much that I wanna say, but I know better, so I ain't getting anywhere. 'Cause I can tell by the way you use your walk that you came to dance. No time to talk. Turn it up with all your friends so you came to dance. Go around the clock. I came to dance. No time to talk.
Jonas Brothers. Up next, we got performances by Ava Max, Eric Church, and Keke Palmer. We're live at the Macy's 4th of July fireworks on NBC. Woo! the 49th annual Macy's 4th of July celebration. And thank you to the Ford Countdown Clock. We are keeping track of our commercial-free fireworks display, and we are less than 90 minutes away. And as a reminder, NBC proudly presents this broadcast with audio description services for the visual impaired on the SAP channel. All right. This fabulous woman is a co-host on Today and the coolest meteorologist I ever did see. Everyone, help me welcome Dylan Dreyer.
Oh, Ariana, thank you for that. Happy 4th of July, everyone. How cool is this? I am here on the famous Brooklyn Bridge where the talented team at Macy's will be launching more than 80,000 pyrotechnic shells in effect. Over 25 uninterrupted minutes of spectacle and excitement right here in New York City. So we all know Macy's is an iconic American retailer, but did you know that their story goes far beyond that? Since 1976, the team at Macy's has created this annual celebration, delivering meaningful entertainment experiences that celebrate a shared tradition while creating stories and memories that last a lifetime. Right now, I'm so excited because I am joined by Gary Souza, tonight's pyro designer. Gary is going to take us through what it takes to put on this big fireworks show. Gary, come on in here. Happy 4th of July.
Oh, happy 4th of July.
Man, this is exciting. I am dying to know what it takes to put on a show like this from the Brooklyn Bridge over the East River here in New York City.
Well, it's amazing to have this third opportunity on the Brooklyn Bridge to do fireworks with Macy's. So there's a crew of 60 pyrotechnicians that have come from across the country, come assemble here today or for 12 days to put together the biggest show in America.
What makes this Macy's fireworks show in New York City the biggest in America?
Well, certainly it's the passion that comes from the team at Macy's and my family. This is my 41st year working on this. And
what are you most excited about tonight?
I'm so excited for all the new effects that are going to come off the bridge.
Yeah, well, I can't wait to see it all. Gary, thank you so much, and good luck tonight.
Thank you.
All right, now it's time for some more music. Ariana, back to you.
Welcome back to our live 4th of July celebration from Pier 17 at the foot of the Brooklyn Bridge in New York City. Is everyone having a good time? Yeah? Okay, it's not as hot as it could be, but it's still pretty warm out here. But don't worry, because I always got you covered. And you get a fan, and you get a fan, and a fan for you! Yes. Oh my God. You know what? I'm going to get you one. I promise. I absolutely promise. But it's about to get hotter with our next performer. She is a multi-platinum singer with over 22 billion global streams. Like, amazing. Please welcome songwriter, producer, Ava Max.
C'est la vie. I don't need nobody. I'm loving myself tonight. It's all about me and it's good for my health. And I know how to please me. I don't need no help. Nobody can love me like I'm loving myself. Hey, let's go to yours. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. I love you so much. Thank you.
We want to take a moment now to thank our partners at Ford who brought the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor to our big event. With the all-new Ford Split Gate and available cargo tailgate manager, the family has an inviting spot to hang out and watch the fireworks. For more details, check out Ford.com/expedition. And stay tuned for the nation's premier fireworks show lighting up the New York City skyline. Plus, live on stage performances from Eric Church, Keke Palmer, and later the one and only Lenny Kravitz. This is Macy's 4th of July fireworks on NBC.
All right, welcome back to the Macy's 4th of July fireworks. Now, although I have been a New Yorker since I was 19 years old, and yes, it looks like it might have been 2 years ago, more like 20, but that's okay. Our next performer shares something in common with me. I was born in North Carolina, and so was he. I would be remiss if I did not mention that he was recognized as a Time 100 philanthropy nominee for his efforts in helping those affected by Hurricane Helene. He's a North Carolinian, a philanthropist, and country music star, performing Hands of Time from his new album, Evangeline versus the Machine, Eric Church.
Bill brakes so they can make Chevy slow down. And just right midnight sorrow might turn the fire around. Bloody Marys and aspirin will give a hangover, one hell of a fight. But my remedy for handling the hands of time. They say you say in Hollywood nights, even the losers get lucky sometimes. A paradise by the dashboard light, and I'm just fine. I'm doing all right. We ain't as young as we used to be, but young at heart. It's so easy when you lay some loud guitars and words of prime, and on the hands of time. I go to the game day jerseys, always Carolina blue. Find forgiveness, I find a little small town, a church blue, yeah. After work, I like to put my elbows up on a bar. And girl, I turn to the speakers when I need to speak to this old heart. And it's a back and black, shoot me all night long. Could you be love, redemption song? Looking back, home sweet home, mama, I belong. Ain't nothing wrong, yeah. We ain't as young as we used to be, but young and hot. It's so easy when you let some loud guitars and words that cry. Hang on the hands of time. Try to hang on this song road like gravity pulls on the grains of sand. We take our licks, life takes its toll. We say thanks and we fold our hands. And it's amazing grace how sweet the sound. Sunday morning coming down. A Tuesday's gone, green grass home, my country. The garden along, yeah. We ain't as young as we used to be. When I chill under that willow, you bury me. I'm gonna turn up some loud guitar. I'll turn up some loud guitar. Yeah, turn up some loud guitar. I'm gonna crank some loud guitar. I'll crank it up some loud guitar. I wanna hear some loud guitar. I'm gonna lift some loud guitar. And words are right. Celebrate the 4th of July.
Okay, Eric. That absolutely amazing. And got nothing on the prompter. He's coming back later in the show. Stay close. And come on up next, Trisha Yearwood, then my girl Keke Palmer, and more from Jonas Brothers. All that as we count down to the country's premier fireworks display. It's the Macy's 4th of July fireworks live on NBC.
And welcome back tonight as we celebrate the country's 249th year of independence. We want to recognize the men and women who have dedicated their lives in the armed forces. Macy's has partnered with Blue Star families since 2018 to strengthen these families and deepen their connections to the communities they call home. Standing with me now is Air Force Senior Master Sergeant Megan DeLeon. She is, there we go. She is a proud third-generation service member. Thank you, Megan, and your family for joining us tonight.
Thank you for having us. It really means a lot to share these moments.
Is this your first Macy's fireworks show?
Yes, it is. It's our first one as a family, and we're so glad that you brought military families into the spotlight.
Well, we could never leave you guys out. Now, I know your family's history in the armed services dates back quite a bit.
Yes. So I had a father that served in the Gulf War as well as in Iraq and Afghanistan. Both my grandfathers in World War II. And then we also have a revolutionary patriot in the family, Captain William Marsh, who served under George Washington.
Oh, my goodness. And are you so excited to have your family here to celebrate tonight?
Yes. Like I said, military families sacrifice so many special moments that it's really awesome to be able to share this one with mine tonight.
Well, thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your service. Are you guys excited? Oh, yes, they are. Ariana, back to you.
All right. Thank you both so much. And another round of applause for all of those who have served and continue to serve our country. We appreciate you. Now, coming to the stage, she is a country music trailblazer with a career spanning over 3 decades. Known for her powerhouse vocals and timeless hits, welcome singer, songwriter, Trisha Yearwood.
Bring your stories, bring some wine, bring your tears, we got all night. Seems like it's been forever since we made the time. Leave your makeup, leave your heels, come as you are, you know we keep it real. I know your heart must need it just as much as mine. Don't have to watch what you say, don't have to stay in your lane. No rules and no one to keep you in your place. We'll laugh and we'll cry, it's okay to not be alright. Walk in the door, fall and we'll help you rise. Too tired to pretend. You're winning on top of the world, or your world stops spinning. You know you're welcome at my table, you fit right in. We're all broken, we're all mending, we've all been right where you're sitting. Go on and come unglued, we'll put you back together again. Don't have to watch what you say, don't have to stay in your lane. No rules and no one to keep you in your place. We'll laugh and we'll cry, it's okay to not be alright. Walk in the door, fall and we'll help you rise. Too tired to pretend. When we wanna let it all out, we need a girl's night in. say. Don't have to stay in my lane. No rules and no one to keep me in my place. We'll laugh and we'll cry. It's okay to not be alright. Walk in the door, fall, and we'll help you rise. Too tired to pretend when we wanna let it all out. We need a girls' night in. I need a girls' night in. Just me and my girlfriends. I need a girls' night in. Happy 4th of July.
Oh man, how great was that? You know, NBC is your home for big events like this. And remember, if you can believe it, we are less than a year away from the Winter Olympics in February 2026, where you can watch Team USA go for the gold on NBC and Peacock. Now, stick around because we have much more, including Keke Palmer, Eric Church, and later a sizzling live performance from Lenny Kravitz. And of course, we are counting down to the most anticipated fireworks show in the country. We'll be right back.
Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back, and we are less than an hour away from illuminating the Brooklyn Bridge and the entire New York City skyline with the best fireworks show in the country. And the Macy's team has collaborated with the legendary Amir Questlove Thompson and James Poyser to produce an epic score for tonight's show. And trust me, it will be epic. Might be in it. Who knows? But this next woman stands out for me. She is literally everything. She is a New York Times best-selling author, a multi-Emmy winning actress, a host, a singer, a songwriter, a producer, a mom, and a best friend, performing a song from her latest album, Just Keke, available now. You know it's your girl. It's Keke Palmer. Hey!
Hi, my name is me. Don't treat me like I'm regular. When you talk to me, watch how you speak. Said I'm down for your love. Don't put your number in my cellular. But I don't do it consistency. 'Cause baby, I'm a mother keeper. Keep her back so she might not see ya. Just because I want you, baby, that don't mean I need you. Sorry to that man, broke boy. Hey, hey, baby, I'm a mother keeper. Keep her back so she might not see ya. Just because I want you, baby, that don't mean I need you. Sorry to that man, broke boy, amnesia. I've been here before, ain't trying to make things difficult. Spending time with me is currency, yeah. You could be my regular. Let's make a sequel. Hit me on my cellular. That Google Pixel. Can you get the picture? I send attachments. I know you want this love, but I ain't looking for attachments. 'Cause baby, I'm a mother keeper. Might not see ya. Hey, sorry to this man, broke boy, amnesia. Get the picture? I send attachments. I know you want this love, but I ain't looking for attachments, baby. Sorry to that man. Baby, I'm a mother keeper. Keep her back so she might not see ya. Just because I want you, baby, that don't mean I need ya. Sorry to that man. Broke boy, amnesia.
Yo, KP!
Holla at your girl.
I mean, come on. Thank you, Keke. Thank you so so much. Y'all, she's coming back again, and I cannot wait. Now, get ready because this next performer's Free the Machine tour is kicking off in September. Welcome back to the stage, 7-time ACM Award winner and 4-time CMA Award winner. It's Eric Church.
I was no daddy's dream, was not your mama's prayer, but I was your first and last tit out of there. I caught your wings on fire when I smoked my Bronco tire out of that tire. I'm good at rolling dice, no good at standing still. You like the thought of chase life instead of dollar bills. Living reckless, nothing to catch us, baby, but the ground. This ain't for everybody, toes hanging off the ledge, like we got nothing to lose. Ain't always heaven, baby, this living on the edge. You holding me, it's a hell of a view. I paint with my own gifts, you paint your purple sky. This town's a canvas, baby, let's paint it red tonight. Oh, I like shooting stars, chasing what's in our hearts, into the blue, into the blue. Man, this ain't for everybody, toes hanging off a ledge, like we got nothing to lose. Ain't always heaven, baby, this living on the edge. You holding me, it's a hell of a view. Hell of a view. Hell of a view in New York City tonight for the 4th of July.
Church. And as we go to break, there's a new patriotic addition to the New York City skyline tonight at JP Morgan Chase's nearly completed headquarters building. 270 Park is officially lighting up its crown for the first time ever tonight to celebrate Independence Day and JP Morgan Chase's enduring commitment to America and all the communities it serves. Coming up next, Trisha Yearwood, Ava Max, and Jonas Brothers, plus the great Lenny Kravitz. And of course, the reason we're all here tonight, fireworks from the Brooklyn Bridge. The Macy's 4th of July celebration returns right after this quick break.
All right. We are back, and we are having a great time at the Macy's 4th of July fireworks celebration. Are we not? Woo-woo! Look, as your host, I brought some family-friendly party favors. We're gonna try something because I'm a nerd, so nerd alert. So we are going to press a button and we're gonna do a countdown. So when I say 3, 2, 1, now you're gonna press a button and we're gonna practice like we're fireworks. Cool? Everybody, you ready? 3, 2, 1, press the button. Woo! Okay, yeah. I'm into it. This is good. You guys were almost ready for the main event. Okay, so this woman's forthcoming 3rd album, Don't Click Play, is out August 22nd. Help me welcome back Ava Max!
Feels like the summer, 100 degrees. I need a drink, someone pour me up for sex on the beach. You're on vacation from out of town. I wanna put you in my pocket, let me show you around. So don't be shy. Show me yours and I'll show you mine. You should know that I don't kiss and tell. Tell me all your dirty psycho. At night she's screaming, my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, jump. Crazy, she's poison but tasty. Yeah, people say run, don't walk away. And she's sweet but a psycho. A little bit psycho. Like me, you're out your mind. I know it's strange, we're both the crazy kind. You're telling me that I'm insane. Oh, don't pretend that you don't love the pain. Oh, she's hot but a psycho. So let push is right down. People say run, don't walk away. Hey, my mind. Happy 4th of July. Thank you, everyone.
All right, that was Ava Max. Okay, so this next queen has sold over 15 million records and released 15 studio albums. Woo, she busy. And on July 18th, she unveils her new album, The Mirror. Returning to our Macy stage, it's Grammy Award winner Trisha Yearwood.
Somebody ought to get hell on the line, tell them I need a word. Well, they've been throwing stones at me, and some of y'all might have heard. Been putting me down all over town and dragging my name through the dirt. I didn't start this thing, just thought I'd ring and tell them for what it's worth. I'm about to stand on the solid rock, had enough of this shaky ground. I'm about to rise, knock the ashes off, no fire gonna burn me down. You better roll off your sleeves, cause you're about to see the fight inside of me. Tell the devil he can bring the trouble, rattle the cages. I'm bringing the angels. I've been praying straight up heaven, I've been drawn a crowd. All them saints and all that glory, Lord, I'm calling down. I can hear them, I can feel them, and let me tell you, Jack, honey, I ain't worried, cause I know who's got my back. I'm about to stand on the solid rock, had enough of this shaky ground. I'm about to rise, knock the ashes off, no fire gonna burn me down. You better roll up your sleeves, cause you're about to see the fight inside of me. Tell the devil he can bring the trouble, rattle the cages. I'm bringing the angels. Johnny Garcia. I'm about to stand. I'm about to rise, yeah. I'm about to stand on the solid rock, had enough of this shaky ground. I'm about to rise, knock the ashes off, no fire gonna burn me down. You better roll off your sleeves, cause you're about to see the fight inside of me. Tell the devil he can bring the trouble, rattle the cages.
Trisha Yearwood, and still to come, the great Lenny Kravitz, plus more from Jonas Brothers and Keke Palmer. Stay tuned, do not go away. Well, Welcome back, and a big hello to anyone just joining us for the Macy's 4th of July fireworks show. Hello. We are live here in New York City with the beautiful Brooklyn Bridge behind us. My goodness. And we are less than 30 minutes away from the most watched fireworks show in the country. But right now, our next guest is regarded as one of the preeminent rock musicians of our time. He has transcended genre, style, race, and class over the course of a 3-decade-plus career. My heart is aflutter. Let's say hello to rock and roll royalty, Lenny Kravitz.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for joining us.
How are you?
I'm good. I mean, you're here. I'm great. Oh my gosh. Congratulations on your recent star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame.
Thank you.
What a milestone. I have a few questions.
Okay.
So, I believe you're a New Yorker?
I'm a New Yorker. I'm from Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn.
Hey, yo!
Right over there.
What is it like to be performing here on this night?
This is incredible. You know, if you told the 10-year-old version of myself that I'd be performing in front of the Brooklyn Bridge one day, I would think that was really hip, and here we are.
It's hip, alright.
Yeah.
And you performed all across the globe, like
Yes.
literally. It's incredible. But tonight you're performing in front of the Brooklyn Bridge.
Yeah.
How's that
So
compare?
it's iconic. You know, this
Woo.
is New York. This is where I'm from. This is where I was raised. And I'm very happy to be here with my fellow New Yorkers to celebrate
This
this
day,
occasion.
baby. Oh my gosh. Well, I am thrilled you're here. We all are thrilled you are here. Thank you
Love you.
so much. Catch Lenny Kravitz on his current global tour. Plus, he will be back with us shortly for a greatest hits performance you simply do not want to miss. Seriously. And right now, coming back to the stage to perform one of their hits that just surpassed 1 billion streams on Spotify. I mean, come on. It's the Grammy-nominated multi-platinum superstars, Jonas Brothers.
I see you calling. I didn't want to leave it like that. It's 5 in the morning. You know, 100 on the dash. 'Cause my wheels are rolling. Ain't taking my foot off the gas. Yeah, it only took me one night to see the end of the line. Staring deep in your eyes. Dancing on the edge, about to take it too far. Dancing with my head out, dancing with your heart. Wake up in your bed, don't ever die, cause someday that beat before you love me. That beat before you love me. That beat before you love me. Don't care if they notice, yeah, no. I'll just get you right. I'd rather be lonely than wrapped around your body too tight. Yeah, I'm the type to get naked, won't keep my heart before breaking. Something going to be sticking, staying. Dancing on the edge, about to take it too far. on the edge, about to take it too far. See in my head, how I'm missing your heart. Wake up in your bed, alone in the dark. Stop it, gotta leave before you love. Hey, leave before you love. Leave before you love. Leave before you love me. Leave before you love me. Leave before you love me. Happy 4th of July.
And the crowd goes wild out here. You know, guys, I was scanning the crowd for some famous faces tonight, and look who I found. This guy, New York Knicks, Miles Deuce McBride. They all love you. You having fun?
Absolutely. Great time out here.
Oh, it's so much fun. You know, this is fitting because after nearly 25 years, the NBA is returning to NBC and Peacock, and it's starting off with that tip-off at the first game for the 2025 season. We couldn't be more excited about it. You'll be able to watch your favorite teams on NBC and stream it on Peacock. What do you want to say to this crowd?
Happy 4th.
Happy 4th indeed. All right, coming up, we've got more music with Keke Palmer and the legendary Lenny Kravitz. And of course, we are just moments away from the greatest fireworks show in the country. From Pier 17 in the Seaport, this is Macy's 4th of July fireworks live on NBC.
Welcome back. Yes, it is almost time for the best fireworks show in the country. Are you all jazzed? Like, I'm so jazzed. I'm jazzed enough to do jazz hands. Do you know how to do that? Can you do a jazz hand? See, she's got it. She's got a jazz hand. Yes, jazz hand. And I am even more jazzed to bring my girl back to this stage. Well, full disclosure, I just met her backstage and super fangirled because she is that girl. Welcome back. It's Keke Palmer.
Give my whole heart, wholeheartedly. I'd give my last breath for you to breathe. Turn every touch to a symphony. It's you and me from 0 to infinity. So